Here our question is design a program to run a single phase motor with DOL starter. So this is the control circuit for DOL starter. DOL means direct online starter. Here we are giving single phase supply directly to a motor. For protection, one overload relay and fuse will be there. Our sequence of events are: one start push button is there. The motor has to start when you are pressing this start push button. And suppose you are releasing this push button, start push button, the motor should be still in on condition. If you are pressing this stop button only, your motor has to come to off position. And we are connecting the motor through this relay. So for maintaining the motor in on condition, when we are releasing the start push button, we are applying here a latching system. That means a feedback of this relay is given across this push button to maintain it in on condition. So we'll go for ladder diagram. So first you have seen your stop push button. So I1 I am taking as stop push button. Normally closed switch will be taken as a stop push button. So I1 is your stop push button and I2 is our start push button. And Q1 is our relay coil. That is a contactor or relay coil. So our condition was, when you are releasing this push button also Q1 should be in on condition. So I am taking a feedback of Q1. So that once Q1 is in on condition, this feedback will be on. And this relay needs to be connected to our motor. So I am taking relay feedback, that is a Q1 feedback, and connecting to motor. Q2 represents our motor. Just will simulate and see. The supply is coming up to this point. So I2 is our start push button. So I2 I am changing to push button. I1 is our stop push button. I am changing to push button. So suppose I am pressing I2. You can see your motor is in on condition. So it is a push button. Once you press, the connection will go to Q1. But now it is open. But as we are given a feedback of Q1, so through this path, the Q1 relay will be getting supply. Through that, your Q2 is in on condition. The next condition was, suppose you are pressing the stop push button, it should be in off condition. So it is satisfying our conditions.